Class 2nd, subject EVS, lesson number 6, how our body works. Here, look at the picture given below and label it. 1 is done for you. Already I have written all the things. First head, second eye, tongue, fingers, elbow, stomach, knee, toes, hair, ear, nose, shoulder, chest, arm, hand, leg and foot. In this way you have to write in your book. Okay, these are the external organs or our body parts. Our body is a wonderful machine. Okay, it has two types of organs, external and internal. Organs are parts of our body. External organs are those that can be seen. And what about the internal organs that we cannot see by our eyes? These are present inside our body. We have to take information about the internal organ. Here we will go into the science lab. Let's see. Hello students, now we are in the science lab and here we have to see the internal organ. I am having this torso. See, this is the torso. In that we can see the internal organ. Internal organ, the brain, the heart, the lungs and the stomach are important internal organs. They are inside our body. First organ is the brain. The brain is inside our head. It helps us to think, to learn and remember things. It controls all the organs of the body. Let's see here and show you the brain model. This is the model of the brain which is inside our head. See here also I am showing you, this is the smaller one. Brain is present inside our head. It helps us to think, to remember, to learn the things. This is the internal structure of the brain. It controls all the organs and our body activities. This is the function of brain. Okay, I hope you understand about the brain. Now we'll move towards the next organ. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to take your right hand and keep on your left side on the chest. Then close your eyes and feel something is there. What is there? Yes. Okay. अभी आपने क्या सुना उधर? You feel something beating like a drum. Oh, who has kept the drum there? No, nobody has kept the drum there. What is there? Let's see which is that organ. Here is this small organ. Let's see. This is your heart, which is beating continuously. And heart is the pumping organ. Heart is the pumping organ. It pumps the blood to all body parts. I'll show you heart structure. Here is the model of the heart. This one is the model. Here red and blue, have you seen? These are the veins and the vessels. Okay, it carries the blood from the heart to the all organs, or from the all organs to the heart. Okay, these two pipes are there, pipeline are there from the heart. So this is the heart, student. It is the pumping organ. It is the pumping organ. It pumps the blood to all organs of our body. Next is that, now what you have to do? Keep your hand on your chest now Both hand you have to keep on your chest. Yes. And now take a deep breath. Then release out. What do you feel? Yes. You feel that your chest swells. When you are taking air inside, your chest is swelling. So what is there? There are two balloon-like structures. I'll show you here. These are these structures. What is this? These two are the lungs, which is present inside your chest. Inside of your chest, ribs like structure is there. It protects your these internal organs. Okay, so these are the ribs, protect your internal organs. So these are the lungs. There are two lungs inside our chest, 1 and 2. There are two lungs inside our chest. These lungs help us to breathe. You will think that we are breathing from the nose, and how they will help us. See, we are taking oxygen. So, when we are breathing from the nose, it goes through the windpipe to the lungs. Lungs absorbs the oxygen and release out the remaining gases, that is carbon dioxide. Okay, so that's why lungs are the breathing organs. They fill up with the air when it breathes. Okay, this is our respiratory system and these are the lungs. See, these are the lungs. When you are breathing, that time air goes into these two lungs and it gets swelling. What they are doing? They are absorbing ऑक्सीजन एंड यहाँ पे जो पाइप्स है यहाँ से वो जाता है। ये इसका मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट काम क्या है लंग्स का? टू प्योरीफाई ब्लड। ऑक्सीजन देता है ब्लड को और ये प्योरिफिकेशन का काम करता है। ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द lungs. Now we'll move towards the next part, that is stomach. See, here is the stomach. I will show you. See, it is your stomach. It is a sac-like structure. Which food you are eating, that swallows from the food pipe and goes into this stomach. Okay, stomach having the function, that is digest the food that we eat. What is the function of stomach? To digest the food what we eat. So here are these internal organs. Now we'll see some other organs also which are internally present and which are most important. See student, our body is made up with the bones and muscles. So these are the bones. See, this is called as skeleton. This is called as skeleton. In this way, our body is made up with the bones. Bones give the shape and size and also support to our body. On that, there is a soft part present on it. It is called as muscles. Bones and muscles work together and they make us move, play and do the things. Here is brain present. This is called as skull, which one is a very hard bone. There are some parts in our body that bones are not present. Which are those parts? Yes, some parts of our body that do not have any bones. They are the tongue, eyelids and lower part of the ears. And elephant trunks also does not consist in bones. So our body is made up with the bones and muscles. Bones and muscles work together to make us move, run and play. All parts of our body work together. They work well when we take proper care of them. We have seen the internal organs in the lab. Now we have to take a revise it once again. internal organs. The brain, the heart, the lungs, and the stomach are important internal organs. They are inside our body. Brain. The brain is inside our head. It helps us think, remember, learn. It controls all the organs of the body. Heart. Keep your hand on the left side of your chest. Do you feel something beating like a drum? Yes, it is your heart. Our heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. Lungs. Keep your hand on your chest and take a deep breath. What do you feel? Your chest swells. There are two lungs inside our chest. These lungs help us to breathe. They fill up with air when we breathe in. Stomach. Where does the food go after we eat and swallow it? It goes into our stomach. The stomach digests the food we eat. Bones and muscles. Our body is made of bones and muscles. Bones and muscles work together to make us move and run. All parts of our body work together. They work well when we take proper care of them. Now, read to know. Some parts of our body do not have any bones. They are the tongue, eyelids, and lower parts of the ears. An elephant trunk has no bone. In this way, we have completed this lesson. Bye.